The ocean is one of humanity's oldest mysteries, a vast, ever-changing expanse that has captivated and confounded us since the dawn of civilization. Its immense power both sustains and challenges life, inspiring awe, respect, and sometimes deep fear. Within this boundless watery world lies a place unlike any other, the Bermuda Triangle, a loosely defined region of the Atlantic Ocean framed by the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It has long been the stage for stories that blur the boundaries between reality and myth. This area has claimed more than its fair share of disappearances, of ships, airplanes, and crews, vanishing without a trace, leaving behind only questions and cold silence. What is it about this particular stretch of ocean that has come to symbolize so much mystery? Why does it hold such a persistent grip on our collective imagination, inspiring countless books, documentaries, and theories? To look upon the Bermuda Triangle is to confront the eternal dance between human curiosity and nature's inscrutable power. It is a reminder that no matter how advanced our technology, how detailed our maps, and how sophisticated our instruments, there remain places where the unknown still reigns supreme. In these waters, the ocean seems to hold its secrets close, a keeper of stories lost beneath the waves. But the Bermuda Triangle is more than a geographical mystery. It is a mirror reflecting the complexities of human nature itself, our courage and hubris, our fear of the unknown, and our insatiable desire to explore despite the risks. As we peel back the layers of history, science, and myth, we come closer not only to understanding the triangle, but also to understanding ourselves. The ocean is a living, breathing entity, simultaneously serene and savage. From the surface, its endless blue expanse evokes tranquility and wonder. But beneath, it is a realm of unceasing motion and hidden danger, sculpted by powerful currents, shifting weather, and mysterious geological forces. The Bermuda Triangle is uniquely situated at the confluence of some of the Atlantic's most dynamic natural systems. The Gulf Stream, a vast and fast-moving ocean current, races through this area, redistributing heat and energy across the planet. This current can carry debris hundreds of miles away, complicating efforts to locate lost ships or aircraft. Weather here is notoriously volatile. Calm seas can rapidly give way to violent storms, sudden squalls, and waterspouts, tornado-like spirals born from warm ocean waters that can tear apart vessels in moments. Hurricanes often barrel through the region, their destructive force reshaping coastlines and sinking ships. Below the surface, the ocean floor adds another layer of mystery and danger. The seafloor is dotted with deep trenches, underwater caves, and methane hydrate deposits, frozen methane gas locked in sediments. When released, these gas pockets can cause the water to become less dense, undermining the buoyancy of ships and potentially causing them to sink abruptly. The ocean's vastness and complexity make it a place where the forces of nature operate on a scale difficult for humans to fully comprehend. It is a realm where unpredictability is the only constant, and where human technology and understanding are often put to the test. Behind every vanished ship or plane lies a story, a human drama of courage, confusion, and sometimes heartbreak. One of the most haunting tales is that of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 Navy bombers on a routine training mission in 1945. These skilled pilots suddenly found their compasses spinning wildly, their position lost amid the vast ocean. Radio transmissions revealed growing desperation as they struggled to navigate the invisible maze around them. Then, silence. A A rescue plane sent to find them vanished as well. Stories like this echo through history. The USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship, disappeared with over 300 men aboard. Yachts, fishing vessels, and commercial planes have all been lost here without trace or explanation. Each disappearance is a fragment of a larger human story, a testament to the fragile thread of control we maintain over nature. They remind us that the ocean, despite our mastery over technology and navigation, can still humble us. They speak to a fundamental truth, that the unknown is not just out there in the world, it is woven into the fabric of human experience. While the Bermuda Triangle has often been painted as a place of supernatural forces or extraterrestrial intervention, modern science offers explanations grounded in natural phenomena. Magnetic anomalies in the area can disrupt compasses and other navigational instruments, causing pilots and sailors to lose their bearings. The region's weather patterns are prone to sudden, violent shifts, storms, hurricanes, and turbulent seas, known to cause accidents worldwide. The existence of rogue waves, enormous, sudden walls of water that tower above normal wave heights, has been confirmed by satellite and oceanographic research. These waves are powerful enough to engulf large ships, capsizing them with little warning. Moreover, the presence of methane hydrate deposits on the ocean floor adds another plausible cause for sudden disappearances. Methane released into the water can create bubbles that decrease water density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly, often without leaving significant debris behind. These scientific insights reveal that the Bermuda Triangle's dangers are real but natural. They underscore the ocean's immense and sometimes unforgiving power, reminding us that mystery can coexist with explanation, that understanding does not diminish awe. Yet, the Bermuda Triangle's enduring allure owes as much to human storytelling as to the mysteries themselves. From the mid-20th century onward, the media sensationalized the disappearances, blending fact with speculation to create a compelling legend. Books, magazines, and films took isolated incidents and wove them into a narrative of paranormal activity, alien abductions, and time warps. Humans are storytellers by nature. We seek meaning in chaos, patterns in randomness. The Bermuda Triangle became a canvas upon which fears and fascinations could be projected, a modern myth that transcends geography. Interestingly, statistical studies reveal that the Bermuda Triangle does not have a higher incident rate than other heavily traveled oceanic regions. Yet the myth endures because it taps into deep human fears of being lost, of forces beyond control, of the vast unknown. This interplay between myth and reality reveals something profound. Stories shape our understanding of the world as much as facts do. The Bermuda Triangle is a living narrative, evolving with each retelling. In a world dominated by technology, satellite navigation, and real-time tracking, why do we still find the Bermuda Triangle so captivating? Perhaps because it represents the eternal tension between knowledge and mystery, between the known and the unknowable. The triangle invites us to embrace uncertainty, to find wonder in the vast spaces where science has yet to provide all the answers. It reminds us that mystery is not a failure of understanding, but a vital part of the human experience. These unanswered questions inspire exploration, fuel imagination, and deepen our respect for the natural world. The Bermuda Triangle challenges us to confront our fears, to push the boundaries of discovery, and to accept that some mysteries may never be fully unraveled. It is a symbol of the courage to face the unknown, a testament to humanity's enduring spirit of adventure and curiosity. The Bermuda Triangle remains a place where the boundaries between fact and legend blur, a realm of deep natural forces, human stories, and enduring mystery. It stands as a powerful reminder that despite all our progress, the universe still holds secrets beyond our reach.